Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go. It's not working on your country. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go not working on your country, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of Monopoly Go. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. If you will find this page, this sign here of clear data, don't click on it because that can make a lot of problems or issues on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.